Dear children, welcome to all in English class. As we learned very much about words and its use as a part of speech in previous lecture, today we learn about phrase and its kinds in detail. As we know, we use sentences to express our thoughts, but sentences are made of words and phrases. Like words, it is therefore necessary to study the part the phrase play and the position they hold in sentence. प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि अपने विचार व्यक्त करने के लिए वाक्य का प्रयोग किया जाता है, परंतु वाक्य भी शब्दों और वाक्यांश से बने होते हैं। इसलिए हमें वाक्यांश का वाक्य में स्थान व इसका प्रयोग करने के बारे में जानकारी होना आवश्यक है। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेज। फ्रेज इज लाइक ए वर्ड. If a word is a letter or group of letters, similarly, phrase is a word or a group of two or more words that make sense but not complete sense. बच्चों, जिस तरह शब्द वर्ण या वर्णों के समूह से बनता है, उसी प्रकार वाक्यांश भी शब्द या दो या इससे अधिक शब्दों के समूह से बनता है। यद्यपि इसका शब्दों की तरह पूरा मतलब नहीं होता है। So, a phrase is a group of two or more words that make sense but not complete sense. Moreover, it has neither subject nor a predicate. Let's take example. Life is not a bed of roses. Another example, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Another one is, he is over head and ears in debt. The italicized group of words in the sentences make sense but not complete sense. A phrase may be found at the beginning, middle or at the end of sentence. फ्रेज वाक्य के शुरू में, मध्य में या अंत में पाए जा सकते हैं। तो आओ बच्चों, वाक्य में वाक्यांश की पहचान कैसे करें? लेट्स सी। A phrase has, first one, small group of words. Another thing we see, neither subject nor predicate. Third thing we see, not complete sense if used alone. And the last one we see, make sense with unique meaning in a complete sentence only. Let's discuss the type of phrases. A phrase functions as a noun, verb, adverb, adjective, or preposition in a sentence. The function of a phrase depends on its constructions. वाक्यांश वाक्य में संज्ञा, क्रिया, क्रिया विशेषण, विशेषण की तरह कार्य करता है। अर्थात वाक्यांश का कार्य उसके वाक्य में प्रयोग पर निर्भर करता है। On the basis of their functions and constructions, phrases are divided into various types as below. Noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, preposition phrase, gerund phrase, participle phrase, infinitive phrase, and last one is absolute phrase. Dear children, I will discuss here with you the first 8 types, because the last one phrase, that is absolute phrase, you will study in higher class. Let's discuss in detail the first 8 phrases. First one is noun phrase. A phrase that acts like a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. It contains a noun and other associated words with which modifies the noun. जो फ्रेज संज्ञा की तरह कार्य करे उसे हम संज्ञा फ्रेज, संज्ञा वाक्यांश कहते हैं। द एंटायर फ्रेज सर्व एज ए नाउन इन ए सेंटेंस. वाक्य में ये सारा वाक्यांश संज्ञा की तरह कार्य करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he is driving a nice red car. A nice red car is a noun phrase. Work as an object here in this sentence. Another example is, a person in a car shouted for help. Here, a person in the car work as a noun phrase. Another type is adjective phrase. The phrase that acts like an adjective in the sentence is called an adjective phrase. जो वाक्यांश विशेषण की तरह कार्य करे वाक्य में उसे हम विशेषण वाक्यांश कहते हैं. It consists of adjectives and other associated words which modifies noun or pronoun. The entire phrase serves as an adjective in the sentence. For example, the boy in the balcony is my brother. Here, boy को मॉडिफाई किया गया है इन द बालकनी से. तो द बॉय इन द बालकनी इज ए एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज. सिमिलरली, शी विद ब्राउन आइज इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. शी मॉडिफाइज विद ब्राउन आइज. Here, with brown eyes work as an adjective phrase. Third one is verb phrase. A verb phrase is a combination of main verb and helping verb within a sentence. The entire phrase serves as a verb in a sentence. Let's take example. She is reading a book. Here main verb is read and helping verb is is. Is reading work as an verb phrase. Similarly, another example, Rohit has finished his task. Here main verb is finish. Helping verb is has. Has finished is served as a verb phrase. Now another type is adverb phrase. An adverb is a group of words that functions as an adverb in the sentence. It contains an adverb and other words which as a whole act as an adverb phrase. Let's take example. She sings a song in a very beautiful pitch. Here sing modifies with the adverb phrase in a very beautiful pitch. Here in a very beautiful pitch work as an adverb phrase. Similarly, in another example, they were shouting in a loud voice. Here shout is modified with in a loud voice work as an adverb phrase. Now let's take the another type, preposition phrase. A preposition phrase consists of preposition, object of preposition, as well as modifiers if any. For example, under the table, here preposition is under. On the roof, here preposition is on. The roof is a noun. At the tree, preposition is at. The tree is a noun. So the entire phrase serves as an preposition, which is combination of preposition plus object of preposition, that is noun or pronoun in the sentence. Let's take example. He is sleeping on the bed. On the bed is work is a here as a preposition phrase. On is preposition, the bed is a noun. Here these words, group of words, work as an preposition phrase. Now gerund phrase. A gerund phrase consists of a gerund and modifiers with the gerund. The entire gerund phrase serve as a noun in a sentence. यहाँ पर जो पूरा gerund है वो एक संज्ञा की तरह प्रयोग किया जाता है वाक्य में. For example, I enjoy playing football. Here play is verb. Verb के साथ ing लगा इसलिए gerund बन गया और इधर ये noun की तरह प्रयोग किया जा रहा है तो इसलिए ये gerund phrase यूज हुआ है. He started reading the book. Here reading work as an gerund phrase. Now another type is participle phrase. A participle phrase consists of present participle with ing or a past participle with ed and modifiers. A participle phrase is punctuated with comma or commas. The entire phrase serves as an adjective in the sentence. जब कोई पार्टिसिपल शब्द एडजेक्टिव की तरह प्रयोग किया जाता है तो वो पार्टिसिपल फ्रेज कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द स्टूडेंट्स रेजिंग द हैंड. रेज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल है मगर ing लग गया तो इससे ये प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल बना. नीड्स एक्स्ट्रा पेज. द स्टूडेंट्स रेजिंग द हैंड्स नीड्स एक्स्ट्रा पेज. रेजिंग द हैंड्स को हमने इसमें कॉमा से बाइफरकेट किया है, यह एक इसकी पहचान भी है पार्टिसिपल फ्रेज की। ये हमेशा सेंटेंस में कॉमा से बाइफरकेट भी किए जाते हैं। And the last one is infinitive phrase. An infinitive phrase consists of infinitive, that is to, plus simple form of verb and modifiers. The entire phrase serves as an adjective, adverb or a noun in a sentence. जब infinitive phrase को वाक्य में प्रयोग किया जाता है तो एज अ वर्ब, एज अ एडवर्ब, एडजेक्टिव और नाउन की तरह प्रयोग किए जाते हैं। लेट्स टेक एग्जाम्पल, शी लाइक्स टू ड्राइव अ कार। यहाँ पे ड्राइव वर्ब है, सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है, और इसके आगे टू लग गया तो ये इन्फिनेटिव फ्रेज बन गया, टू ड्राइव। शी सैंग टू प्लीज एन ऑडियंस। हेयर टू प्लीज, जो प्लीज शब्द है ये सिंपल एडवर्ब शब्द है और इसके आगे टू लग गया तो इसलिए इन्फिनेटिव फ्रेज बन गया। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट phrase and its categories. Dear children, hope you understand all above. There is a worksheet along with this video attached. Dear students, kindly solve the questions in the worksheet so that you can develop more understanding about the topic, that is phrase. Thank you. Thank you again. Be happy and safe.